Were you prepared for the kind of hysteria you face in either Bhojpuri on Tamil or any of the?
No, I was never prepared for anything really, but then the expectation gets very high, and then it's not only there to become get on the top and be. It's not easy to remain on the top. It's sustenance is even difficult from receiving to be there and being adulated by the audience at that level. But I'm very honored. I'm very happy, and I'm very thankful to all those people who gave me that position. I had to live up to that, and so therefore I made a choice. I was there, I retained my position, but after a while it gets to a saturating point where you feel that now what? It's not challenging anymore. It's not like, okay, fine, people do love you, but then do you want to kill that artist in yourself? And then the answer is no, and so then you move on, and then you move on to whatever you feel at that point of time which looks good to you. Like if I'm doing Hindi today, I cannot be doing regional languages. So I have to make a clear demarcation of finishing all that first and then, doing. And I always wanted to be different. So I think that was a way of my being different.
What is a regular Nagma day? How does it start? How does it end?
Look, I'm a very prayerful person, and I'm a very God-loving person, and I've always been into meditation and prayer and things like that. So my first thing in the morning when I get up is I pray, and I pray and I pray and I pray. I pray a lot. So when I'm working, I pray. When I'm sitting, I pray. When I'm always praying in different ways. And right now I'm into Bible studies. I've read the Bhagavad Gita. I've read the Quran. Now I'm reading the Bible. I'm understanding it. I have a better understanding of it. I want to learn it at the back of the hand. And there's a lot that I read. I love reading. So whenever I find time, I catch time to read my scripts or read my listen to story narrations, or then I'm shooting. And if I'm shooting, my complete focus is attention is on my work. And before and after every film, like when there is a new film, it's like a new challenge. So I like Bhojpuri, you have only two heroes to work with. You have Manoj Tiwari and Ravi Kishan. So whenever there is a movie, my efforts are to always look different in every film, to work on my costumes, to work, and we have a very limited stipulated budget that we can do all these things in, so it gets tougher. The challenge gets greater because you want to prove it in a different way. You have to prove yourself, you have to prove your mettle of what you can wear, what you can design for yourself, what you can, but in a very stringent budget. So when I worked with people like Manish Malhotra and Ashley and Neeta Lula for so many years together, it gets difficult to work in those stringent budgets, and I only wear pure stuff, like pure materials and things like that, because that's what complements me and that's what looks good. So you have to really work double the amount of hard job, because you have to do the designing, you have to choose the material, and you have to be in the guidelines of being in the tradition and culture and not bifurcating that. So all those things are, so it's a lot more harder than just working in a Hindi movie. Hindi movie is good fun. You have your vanity vans, and of course you have vanity vans in Bhojpuri also, but it's like picnic, it's fun. When you go there, you don't have to use your head, you just have to speak your lines, you have to look good, you have to wear your body, all you have to do is work out on your body. Your designer does all your work, and there you go on the set, and everything is done for you. But here, from the word go, you have to put in all your efforts in understanding what you're doing, what's the role, what's the kind of clothes that you'll be using, what is the kind of look that you'll be giving, what is the kind of all the work is done by you. Most of the work is done, 99% of the work is done by you.
Go about playing Holi this year? Will it be dirty or
Nothing. It's going to be very nice, clean, because I've already finished the dirty bit. I've already played with colors. I've just done a song in one of my Bhojpuri films which had a lot of colors. So we already finished playing that Wild Holi. And then yesterday, day before, we were in Patna, so we had to do a Holi again for the press. And then now again, when Holi comes, we'll celebrate with the family with colors and, decently with praying. Yeah, Jyotika is now married and she's in her home in Chennai. But hopefully with my mom and my brother and my father and everybody at home, we'll pray and we'll play with colors and pray that this year long it'll be full of colors.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.